About our Oracle PLSQL training program. For last 20 years, we have been into the database technologies with our practical real-time step-by-step training classes with useful resume-oriented projects. What is Oracle? Oracle is a great database technology for decades, used for secure storage, management, and maintenance activities. Oracle has its own cloud platform for big data operations and cloud computing activities. In this particular course, the Oracle PLSQL training program will be learning from scratch the very basics of SQL first, Oracle concepts next. Then we'll be learning about the Oracle PLSQL training classes with complete 100% hands-on, step-by-step examples, real-time projects, best practices, performance tuning operations, and also the strong foundation you can expect from this course for your next level move in your career. Maybe core full stack development or engineering, analytics, or data science. Let's get into our detailed Oracle PLSQL training program now. In this training classes, we'll be starting from scratch database fundamentals, then step into RDBMS and installation of Oracle. Then comes Oracle installation precautions, user creations and configurations, introduction to RDBMS, OLTP, OLAP concepts and SQL commands. Then we'll be learning about the next level SQL commands, special operators, transactions, grouping and query results, single row and multi-row functions, constraints, very, very important. After we learn about constraints comes group by, join, subquery concepts, synonyms, sequences, views, and good number of use case activities with real-time case study, either in e-commerce or Medicare. After this module 1, we'll proceed for module 2, programming. Programming involves subqueries, PLSQL control structures, different levels of control structures, OOPS concepts, object-oriented programming concepts, advanced PLSQL activities, including Oracle forms and nested queries. From this particular Oracle training program, you can become a developer, core Oracle PLSQL developer, or this can be a foundation for your next move, data engineer, Azure, GCP data engineer, or data analyst, Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, or Google Data Studio data analyst. Things are very practical, step by step, in this 5 weeks full-length training program with real-time project for your resume. Let's start our Python journey. The Oracle journey today. And let's make sure we do on-time practice. Make sure we submit the everyday assignments on time. Involve in mock interviews, weekly mock interviews. Yes, we do conduct weekly mock interviews as well. So try to involve in the weekly mock interviews by submitting your daily assignments on time, please. This course will be very useful for your resume. At the same time, let's make it more elegant with your on-time practice. Thank you so much. See you there in our actual live demo class. Kindly reach us today. Enroll for a detailed live demo introduction class before you proceed to sign up with us. See you there. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. Take care.